Well, today's the day I become an airplane owner for the very first time. After a 9-hour road trip across the Northeast, we arrive in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania the night before. We wake up Saturday morning to meet the airplane owner, Mr. Darren Torrey. He then drives us to Pottsville, Pennsylvania, where we will meet the airplane and start on our 4.5-hour IFR cross-country back to Knoxville, Tennessee. 3026 Yankee is a Cessna 182E model. It was purchased in 1964 by Mr. Paparazzi, an Italian business owner here in Pottsville. Mr. Paparazzi hangared the airplane in the same hangar and the same airport for over 50 years. Darren purchased the airplane in 2015 and overhauled the engine. 26 Yankee only has 54 hours on the engine and only 2,900 hours on the airframe. Still has a lot of life left in her. We were slightly delayed getting out of Pottsville due to low visibility, but we start on our IFR cross-country back to Knoxville, Tennessee, with one stop in Charleston, West Virginia.
Tango Yankee Sierra Airport as filed. Maintain 4,000, expect 8,000 once you're in after departure. Departure frequency 124.1 or 4022.
Yankee will fly Tango Yankee Sierra as filed. Climb maintain 4,000, expect 8,000 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.1 and squawk 4022. We had to vector around some buildups along the route, but overall a great flight. Becoming an airplane owner was one of the most exciting days of my life, and I can't wait to share more adventures on this channel. We arrive in Knoxville just a few hours later and welcome 26 Yankee to her new home. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.